Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use pre-built tables in Google Sheets. So if you want your data to look clean and professional in seconds, here's how you can use the pre-built tables in Google Sheets. Super easy and time saving. So you can do it on the new files like this or on an existing files like this. So if you want to use an existing file, let's say I'm going to just copy this first in a new sheet tab. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's not a table. So if you want to convert it into a table, you can just first, after you write your data, you can just select it or the range like this, and then you can go to format, and in here you will see this option, convert to table. Click on that options. Let's try again. Okay, so I need a header first. So let's add this one. You can go with this, and then you can just click on that and choose to convert a table. But if you open a new spreadsheet like this, you'll see this pop up on the left side, right side of your screen. Start with pre-built table. So it will include smart shapes, placeholders, and custom color palettes. So you can just choose the options in here. You can go with a blank table, event tasks, project tasks, content tracker, product prioritizations, and requirements applications. So you can just choose which one based on your needs. Let's say I'm going to go with the recruitment category, and here I'm going to go with this recruitment applicants. You can just tap on the options, and just like that, the tables will automatically add it like this. And you can always change or customize it on your own. You can change the column type. You can also create custom views like this, or you can also personalize more your tables. If you want to change the color, you can just block it in here and change to the color that you want, just like this. And you can also add more items if needed. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can use and style tables in Google Sheets. Hit like, tap subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.